Wait for it. Look at the shine of my hair. Look how shiny it is. And just so healthy and shiny. I'm really loving this treatment.
Wait. Before we get into the results, let me show you exactly how I made fenugreek the best method for hair growth, shine, and healthier hair. Let's go. You want to get your hands on some organic fenugreek seeds. They're the best. I'll link it in the description. I got mine from Amazon. I've kind of just measured about a cup of fenugreek, and you want to use distilled water. I'm using filtered water, but distilled water, it will just be pure water rather than all of the different other nasties that is in tap water. I didn't really measure it out. The fenugreek seeds get bigger, so you want to make sure you're putting enough water. Put your fenugreek mixture to brew, stirring it occasionally. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can now put the fenugreek mixture in another glass container or mason jar. You also want to scoop the fenugreek seeds into the mason jar as well to make sure all of the good, amazing nutrients of fenugreek comes out. Put it in the fridge overnight. The next day, put it in a spray bottle without the fenugreek seeds. Make sure to keep it and store it in the fridge up to 5 days, no more than 5 days. I'm going to add some essential oils to make it smell really nice, but also for the added blood circulation properties. So it's been overnight now, nearly 24 hours, and I'm ready to put the fenugreek in my hair. Now I washed my hair yesterday, so this is day 2 hair. I'm going to spray it in my hair. I'm going out tonight, so I'll let you know how it is in terms of like the smell and actually like going out while it's in. But I'm gonna leave it in overnight, wrap it in cling film, and then wash it out the next day so we can look at the results. So I would recommend protecting your clothes. I'm gonna wear a towel because I don't want to smell of fenugreek. I think it will stain my clothing as well, just a hunch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with my scalp first and massage it in. You wanna make sure you're really massaging it in. Oh, and give it a good shake as well. Fenugreek decreases hair shedding, fights dandruff, makes hair super shiny, has a lot of folic acid to promote healthy hair and scalp, high levels of vitamin A and protein which strengthens the hair and reduces breakage. The nicotinic acid increases circulation of nutrients to the scalp, increasing oxygen. Once you've covered your whole scalp and you've given it a really good massage into your scalp, it's time to do the rest of the hair, therefore helping to stimulate hair growth. It really helps to promote hair and scalp health. This seed really helps encourage hair growth. There was even a study done to show that it improved hair growth and strength for people who actually took fenugreek. It's not only really good topically on your hair, but if you actually include it in your food or use it as a supplement, it's going to help with your hair growth internally. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties, fighting the same bacteria that causes dandruff without the same side effects as synthetic drugs. So I have a feeling that fenugreek will really bring out curls, and I'm already seeing it in my hair, and I think it will make it a really nice defined curl. This fenugreek is potent, but it's actually, the smell's okay. It smells like maple syrup, but with the essential oils it does smell a lot better. You want to make sure you're saturating the whole hair from the roots to the tips, and like you want to concentrate on the tips as well, get them extra moisturized. And I'm gonna go one more spritz in my scalp. Get a wide tooth comb and just comb through your hair. I reckon that once this dries, because it's just water, that it will look really nice. We shall see. So we're gonna leave that in there till tomorrow and then see the results. There's another fenugreek mask that I want to quickly show you guys, and that's with the seeds, so don't throw them away, and I'll show you now. Okay, quick update guys. So my hair is a lot drier now and it's gone a bit crispy, but I could go out like this. It just looks like I've got like mousse in my hair, which is sick. Imagine you're doing like a DIY hair loss treatment, hair growth treatment, and you can go out. You saw what my hair looked like before. Cue the video. Look at it now, it's like manageable. It looks kind of like cool and sleek, that wet look. It still needs to dry as well, so loving the results, guys. This is ideal for the active gal or boy. Like, it literally looks like I've got mousse beach waves. And I think the trick is to scrunch it while it's drying so that it gives you nice curls. But look at that, that's so good. Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why I'm in the bathroom. It's around like 6 p.m. in London and it's twilight zone, so my bathroom gets all of the light from here, so I wanted to show you guys. So I've washed it out and I kept it in overnight, and wait for it. Look at the shine of my hair. Look how shiny it is. Like, so I like blow dried my hair and it's so soft, like all the cuticles. So I've got really like brittle, fine and like rough to the touch hair, but this is like really sealed. The Fenugreek has sealed my cuticles, my hair cuticles, so it's honestly so soft. It's gleaming. Like, it feels amazing. I'm not even capping right now, like it feels so good. And my hair feels really light and lush and just so healthy and shiny. I'm really, really loving this treatment. Like, when I say it feels like I've had a Brazilian blow dry, like it literally feels like that. Like, that's how soft my hair is and how shiny my hair is. It also feels very voluminous, really like fuller. Like, my hair feels a lot like more dense. I know it's been one day, but I definitely feel like it's just a lot more healthier, thicker, and just stronger. I'll show you guys my scalp. I mean, my hair's not gonna grow overnight, but I do feel like it's made my scalp really nice and healthy. Like, I don't have any flaking, I don't have any dandruff. What I will say is the smell. So I did step out. Last night, and everyone that I was with did say like I did stink. So I wouldn't recommend like going. I personally couldn't smell a thing. Like, I didn't think it smelled that bad. But certain people find the Fenugreek smell just a bit like not a nice smell. So, and today I did wash my hair 3 times and put conditioner in it as well in my roots, just to get rid of the smell. And my hair, it has a light whiff, a light touch of Fenugreek, which is fine for me, but just like warning you that that's something that's the kind of like a disadvantage, but I think the results are amazing. Like, I really, really think it's like really good. And I definitely do believe that it has some encouraging growth, hair growth properties. I'll be honest with you, I didn't do the mask with the Fenugreek mashed up because I just couldn't be bothered for the mess. And also, it would have been very, very hard for my hair to absorb any of the nutrients just because it was so mushy, and it wouldn't go on my hair, and I just couldn't be asked to clean it up. So I think the brewing method with the hair mist, with the water infused in Fenugreek, is the best way to do it, because the water is going to be absorbed by your hair and all the nutrients in the water is going to be absorbed by your hair. So I think that's hands down the best way, but I thought I'd put it on there so you guys could see like how to do it if that's something that you wanted to do. I'm just going to every single room in my house right now. Let's just open up the curtains. It's really bright. Whoa! But yeah, I thought I'd change up the scenery. I feel like you guys see the same scenery every single time, so I thought I'd do in the bathroom and now in here. But guys, look, it's fantastic. Like, I'm really, really happy with the results, like really happy. But let me know if you are thinking of trying the Fenugreek. I would highly, highly recommend it in the regimen. In terms of like how I would put it in, I'd maybe do it like once a week treatment. And you can keep the Fenugreek in the fridge for 5 days. So if you wanted to, you could make one batch and then use it for the whole 5 days, like every day, like once a month, like every day, like every night kind of thing, and mist your hair and just do it that way. The smell is a concern for some. I didn't think it was that bad, but for other people that are with you might find it bad. But I personally, like being in myself, being in the body in my body, I didn't think it was, thought it was fine, but everyone else was like, you stink. So you don't want to be that person. If you want to learn more about hair growth and all things hair loss, make sure to check out my How to Beat Hair Loss playlist. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!